Hey everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our guide on how to apply for an American Express credit card as a student. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the process of applying for an Amex card, from understanding the benefits and advantages to maximizing your chances of approval. I'm going to start by discussing the advantages of having an American Express card and then move on to the eligibility requirements and application process, and then wrap things up with some valuable tips and alternative options. So by the end of this video, you will be equipped with all the knowledge and confidence needed to successfully apply for an American Express card and enjoy its perks as a student. So as an international student, having a credit card is more than just a convenience. It can be a valuable tool for building your financial future in the United States. American Express, a well-known and respected credit card issuer, offers a range of cards with various benefits that can cater to your unique needs as a student. One of the most significant advantages of having an Amex card is the opportunity to build your credit history in the US. A strong credit score can open many doors, from renting an apartment to securing a car loan or even landing your dream job. By using your Amex card responsibly and paying your bills on time, you can establish a solid credit foundation that will serve you well long after graduation. Another benefit of some American Express cards is the absence of foreign transaction fees. So if you frequently travel back home or make purchases from international merchants, having a card with no foreign transaction fees can save you a lot of money. And this feature is especially valuable for international students who may need to make purchases in their home country or travel during breaks. Amex cards also offer attractive rewards programs that allow you to earn points or cashback on your purchases. These rewards can add up quickly, providing you with significant savings or the ability to indulge in some well-deserved treats. Some cards even offer bonus points for specific categories such as dining or travel, and this can be particularly beneficial for students with those spending habits. For students who plan to travel during their time abroad, American Express cards can prove an array of travel perks. And these can include airport lounge access, travel insurance, hotel discounts, and way more. Having such benefits can make your trips more comfortable, enjoying, and cost-effective, allowing you to make the most out of your time while studying. And lastly, many Amex cards offer purchase protection and extended warranty on eligible items. This means that if something you bought with your card is stolen, damaged, or needs a repair, you may be covered. For international students making significant purchases like laptops or furniture, this added layer of protection can provide valuable peace of mind. So now that we know the benefits of having an Amex card, let's discuss the eligibility requirements for international students. While the specific criteria may vary depending on the card that you're applying for, there are some general guidelines that you will need to meet. First and foremost, you must be at least 18 years old to apply for an Amex card. This is a legal requirement for all the credit card issuers in the United States. Additionally, you will need to have a valid passport and student visa, demonstrating that you are legally allowed to study in the US. To be eligible, you must also be enrolled in an eligible US educational institution, and this includes colleges, universities, and other accredited post-secondary schools. Some card issuers may have specific requirements regarding the type of institution or the minimum enrollment status. So be sure to check the details for the card that you're interested in. Having a US mailing address and phone number is another essential requirement. This allows American Express to communicate with you and send important documents such as your card and statements. If you're living on campus, you can typically use your school's address. And if you're living off campus, be sure to provide a stable mailing address where you can reliably receive mail. One of the most crucial eligibility factors for international students is having a social security number. Or if you don't have that or you're not eligible to have one, then you should have the individual taxpayer identification number or the ITIN. And these unique identifiers are used by credit card issuers to track your financial activity and report it to the credit bureau. If you have an on-campus job or otherwise eligible for an SSN, then be sure to obtain one before applying for a credit card. And if you're not eligible for one, then you may be able to apply for an ITIN by filling out Form W7 with the Internal Revenue Service or the IRS. It's important to note that meeting these eligibility requirements does not guarantee approval for an American Express card. Issuers, and depending on the card, may have additional criteria such as a minimum income or credit score that they may be using to evaluate applications. So be sure to carefully review the terms and conditions of the specific card that you're interested in to ensure that you meet all the necessary qualifications. Once you've determined that you meet the eligibility requirements and have chosen the American Express card that best suits your needs, it's time to begin the application process. Applying for an American Express card is relatively straightforward and can be done entirely online. So you would have to obviously visit the American Express website and then navigate to the page for the card that you want to apply for. Once you're ready, click on the blue Apply Now button to begin the application. In addition to providing your personal information, you may also be asked to provide details about your financial history, such as any existing credit cards or loans. If you have any income sources such as scholarships, grants, or money from family, then be sure to include these as well. The more comprehensive and accurate your application is, the better your chances of approval. After completing the application form, take a moment to review all the information you've provided, double check any typos or errors, and ensure that everything is up to date. When you're confident that your application is complete and accurate, agree to the terms and conditions of the card and submit your application. The decision process for American Express cards is generally quite fast. In most cases, you will receive a decision within the same day of submitting your application. And if approved, then congratulations, your new Amex card will be mailed to the US address you provided within 7 to 10 business days. So be sure to activate your credit card as soon as it arrives and start enjoying the benefits. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know whether you have any other questions or your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.